kasi, nag-shoot ako ng sa, yung tawag natin dun sa disc, di ba, frisbee ang common term natin. Pero ultimate pala ang tawag dun sa sport na yon. Yung frisbee is parang a name of the disc itself. A brand of the disc itself. So ito, panoorin natin to.
Ultimate.
It's time now for another Sports Basic, mga kasambahay. We're right here at Ateneo Grounds kung saan matututunan natin ang sport na ultimate at makakasama natin ngayon, si Coach Peng. Pagkakaalam ko sa sport na to, frisbee to, bakit ito tinawag na ultimate?
Actually, yung frisbee is a brand of disc. Now, the game is called ultimate kasi we think it's the ultimate sport.
Okay. Anong history natin ng frisbee dito sa Pilipinas?
The sport originated in the US. Na-invento siya noong 1968 sa isang high school sa New Jersey. But it started coming here noong mga 70s. Pero the oldest documented game that we know of is noong 1982 sa Bacolod City.
Coach, when we talk about the ultimate sport, ano po ba yung goal ng sport na to? Paano to nilalaro? Turuan mo naman ako, Coach. Okay.
So first, we play it with this disc. This is a 175-gram disc.
Does it have any sizes or that's the regular size?
Yung weight niya is 175.
Okay.
This is the standard size and weight.
Okay.
And then we play it in a rectangular field. As you can see right now, we have two fields. We have two rectangular fields, and each field has an end zone. Now, the objective of the game is to pass the disc around until you catch it in your opponent's end zone. That's how you score a point.
Okay.
It starts out with what you call a pull right now. That will initiate the game.
Like in any other sports, may mga positions ba yung mga players
Yes.
natin? Tapos ilang players per team tayo?
This game is usually played 7 aside.
Okay.
Yun nga, the person getting the disc right now, that's called the handler. Yung person na yun, siya yung parang point guard or quarterback ng team. Siya yung nagda-direct ng players.
Okay.
Siya yung madalas may hawak ng disc.
Okay.
You want to throw the disc as much as possible going forward.
Is there a proper way of throwing
There
this?
are several ways of throwing the disc. Merong backhand, merong forehand, merong overhead.
Please show us po.
This is the backhand.
Yung right foot mo, step over,
Okay.
and then you throw it dito sa side na to.
Another way of throwing it is the forehand. Dito naman sa side na to.
So kung saan ang dominant hand mo, doon mo siya ito-throw?
Yes, if you're right-handed, yan.
Paano mo ginawa, Coach?
You start with a grip. Okay, there's a way of holding it. Okay? For beginners, you usually hold it this way.
Okay.
Okay, pag medyo advanced ka na, you hold it this way. Okay?
Then you throw it.
Then you throw it. You throw it flat. Tapos you use your wrist again to propel it.
What's the advantage of using the forward grip?
The
compared to
forehand grip.
Yeah.
Kasi may mark ka eh. Somebody's guarding you.
Yes.
So if that person is guarding you here, you can just throw a forehand anytime.
Okay.
But if you have to throw a backhand, babangga ka sa kanya, foul yun. Okay?
So may backhand na tayo, forward.
Yeah, may forehand, yan. Forehand.
Forehand.
And then meron tayo mga overhead throws. Mga tinatapon natin over our heads.
And how long yung laro niya?
We usually play, depende on the organizers. Usually mga an hour to an hour and a half. Yung, either race to
And
11
your
to...
competition outside the Philippines, gaano katagal siya?
Yung regulation are up to 90 minutes.
Coach Peng, why don't you invite them para to watch your game?
By the way, nag-start na yung summer league namin. We hold it in the Alabang Country Club. If you want to watch, drop by there one Sunday. Nandun kami, there are 40 to 50 teams playing in the Alabang Country Club all over Metro Manila.
May website ba kayo para if they can check out the schedules?
We have a Facebook page. They can go to the Philippine Ultimate Association Facebook page and ask to join. On May 30 and 31, we will have our championships, our national championships. It will be in Bacolod City.
Thank you so much for accommodating us today po. Ayan, mga kasambahay, natututunan na po natin ang sport na ultimate, aka hindi po yan frisbee. Ultimate po ang sport na to. Join us for another
Sports Basic.
Ayan, so tatanda natin hindi yan frisbee, yan po ang sport na ultimate. Ayan, thank you so much kay Coach Peng at kay Coach Christian na nagturo sa akin. Actually, hindi na ako nahirapan kasi parang when I was in college, I was playing also yung ultimate na sport na yan. So tinuruan niya tayo dyan ng backhand, ng forehand,
Ito na pala.
tsaka yung overhand niya, 'di ba? So, overhead throw niya. Yun yung mga tinuro niya sa atin. So, parang katulad nga din daw siya ng soccer na parang 90 minutes mo nilalaro yung game na yon. Tapos may mga specific roles ka rin doon. Like, for example, meron kang point guard, tapos meron yung sa mga middleman mo, mga backman, mga ganon. Parang soccer game din siya.
May mga
Yan.
positions.
May mga positions din yan. Tsaka kung gusto nyo matuto, pwede kayong pumunta dun sa kanilang website. May competition din pala sila this coming October. And then every Sunday, meron silang parang training, mini training na ginaganap sa Alabang yan. So pwede kayong pumunta dun. Kahit first timers daw kayo, pwede nila kayong turuan dun.
Ayan.